Okay, students, now see the second stanza of the spider and the fly. In the first one, you have seen that when the spider was requesting the fly to come into his parlor, and the fly refused. But the spider does not give up easily, means he is very clever. So he is trying again to trap the fly. So see again whatever the other things that he is trying to tempt the fly. The stanza, I am sure you must be weary, dear, with soaring up so high. Weary means tired. I am sure that the spider was telling to the fly that since you are flying whole day up here and there, up so high, so of course you might be tired. So come into my parlor and take a little rest. You will see that my bed is so fine and so pretty. That see the lines in the poem. Will you rest upon my little bed? Said the spider to the fly. They are pretty curtains drawn around. The sheets are fine and thin. Means the spider is again and again trying to tempt anyhow that she come there into his parlor. If you like to rest a while, I'll snugly tuck you in. See how wonderful that, how clever the words that they are suggesting us. And if you like to rest a while, I'll snugly tuck you in. Snugly means very comfortably, and tuck you means just to put you into my bed. So these lines suggesting that how the love spider is showing to the fly. But actually this love is not true. Fly is aware of the risk and she doesn't want to face this danger because she has heard that whoever went up never came down again. In this way again fly refused his invitation. Now in the next para, said the cunning spider to the fly, dear friend, what can I do to prove the warm affection? When the fly refused to go there, but the spider doesn't want to leave her. So again he is trying, and now this time see what is the difference. Now what he is asking, dear friend, what can I do to prove the warm affection? Here the warm affection means his love. I have always felt for you, that the love I have in my heart for you. I have within my pantry good store of all that's nice. Pantry means here the small room for storing food materials. I have means in my pantry I have a very delicious, very variety of food. I am sure you are very welcome. Will you please to take a slice of anything she likes, because there are so many delicacies to taste. The little fly remains firm and respectful and says that she knows what he has in his pantry and that she has no desire to see what he has. So the spider failed to persuade the fly. The poetess, as I already told you, the poetess used this spider and the fly as the human character, male and female, such as men used to seduce women. In the next para, you will see how the wicked men use sweet words to snare the innocent for their evil design. They employ a variety of tricks to lure their victim.